Along the Caspian shores, one may also find the wide, rich farmlands of the Turkomen tribes. The Turkomen are the descendants of the Mongol hordes who came sweeping out of Central Asia in many centuries past. Although, as you notice, electric razors have yet to make their appearance. Turkomen were once very warlike. They jealously treasure a fine old jeweled scabbard or a gold inlaid blade. And when you're among these men, you have the constant nagging feeling they rather wish the good old days would come back again. The tribal warfare has been stopped now. Now they must satisfy themselves with a traditional Turkomen war dance once in a while. Their elaborate clothing, their fine jewelry, are often family heirlooms brought from Central Asia many, many centuries ago. Very frequently among the Turkomen tribes people, you will see the Mongol cast of features.